Good afternoon, everybody. Just going to jump in here with you guys for a couple minutes and take a look at a homework question from topic one. Now, some of you guys are studying it this week in topic one. Some of you may be here next week completing work from topic two. Whatever the case is, let's take a look here, everybody. On the screen here, it says scientists are studying the temperature of a distant planet. We're going to let Y represent the temperature in degrees Celsius, X represent the height from the surface of in kilometers from the surface of the planet, right? Suppose that X and Y are related by the equation 21 minus 5X equals Y. It says, the question is, what is the temperature on the surface of the planet? Everybody, if X is the number of meters off of the planet, how many meters are we off the planet when we're on the surface of the planet? 0, right? Exactly. 0. So if we scroll down here just a little bit on our graph, I'm going to scroll out here. You can see if I click on the graph right there, when X is 0, Y is 21. All right, that's 0 meters off the planet or kilometers off the planet. The temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. All right, can we get negative values of X? No, we can't. Why? Because if we're on the surface, we can't go below the surface. Well, we're not going to drill. We're just going to stay on the surface, right? We're going to stay right where we are. So we need to set a restriction here for our function. So we need to have X has to be greater than or equal to 0. All right, that has to be the case. So there you see now, as X increases, Y becomes more and more negative, right? Further and further away. As X gets more kilometers from the surface of this planet, the temperature keeps going down. All right, that's what's happening. Now, I'm going to go ahead and create a little function here so I can show you guys something. All right, it's going to be exactly what it says there before, 21 minus 5x, okay? It's exactly the same thing. I've got to go ahead and copy that restriction over. All right, there we go. So it's green, but it's the same function. You say, well, why would I do that? I'm going to do that because I want to show you guys what we can do here with this calculator. This is the Desmos calculator. I'm going to click on the gear, and I'm going to build myself a table. And you guys can see right there, the points start being plotted. Now, look what happens. -2, -1, they're undefined. Why? Because they don't exist, right? You can't be negative kilometers off of a planet. That doesn't make any sense. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in numbers that just, right, keep increasing by 1. So I'm getting further and further by 1 kilometer, right, off the planet. As that happens, what happens to the temperature? The temperature is Y, right, or F of X. The temperatures are going down by 5. So when it says to you over here, right, on our statement, when it says, what is the temperature change for each kilometer we got from the surface? We go from the surface. It is what? 5, -5, because it's decreasing by 5 each time. Therefore, that's the rate of change. Therefore, our temperature can only get colder than 21 degrees. It cannot get warmer than 21 degrees. And that's why I isolated it and said that X can only be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, this is going to be an important question for topic 1 homework. I'll post this for you guys. Take care. Have some fun. Bye.